The situation presently feels to me a little bit like it did in the run-up to the Lehman Brothers collapse in September 2008. Is that your sense as well, that things are that fragile within the banking system globally that there could be another Lehman?
Yes, I mean, most of the market observers and investors agree that Greece will default, and Greece is bigger than Lehman. Greece in total has about 800 billion euros of debt, government debt and private debt. I would expect that at least about 500 billion would have to be written off. That's bigger than Lehman. That's why, although everybody says, well, that's a small piece, etc., it's not such a small piece. It will hurt. And we don't have a banking industry that has the shock absorber, high equity capital that could just take it and move on. Therefore, there will be a banking crisis, and eventually I could see nationalization of some banks because they cannot make it, and contagion effect would be too dangerous to let it run.
Mm-hmm. All the more reason to own some physical gold in your portfolio as that hedge.
Absolutely. I just believe that the gold price at 1900 hit the upper end of a long-term trend channel. We had a disappointment about Mr. Bernanke because the market, the gold bugs, expected QE3 and he didn't deliver. And we had all the technical readings that were the most extreme in about 25 years. So we need a correction, and we had a slumping down by a couple of hundred points. And I do believe that we need several months of base building to prepare the platform for the next move up.
Felix, thank you very much. Really appreciate you providing this insight. This is going to be viewed by thousands of people around the world. Is there any last comment that you would suggest that people think about as we go forward from here?
Well, I'm not really prepared for that question, but I would say make sure that you have a job, you have income, you have a happy family life, be very well organized privately, and if you have all those factors in line, then you will make it and the world will not come to an end. It will be a bad time and painful time, but you will make it.
You'll be able to get through.
That's right.
Felix Zulauf, Chairman, Founder of Zulauf Asset Management, thank you very much for being with me today.
Thank you, James. Thank you for having me.
It was a pleasure.